watch the cue ball. I was about to say good sign.
Almost easy to win it, but you look.
Alo, alo. À đây rồi.
That don't play a role.
Rồi.
It's in the back of the
Hiệu Ferrer ở Dubai.
The air in delight and relief as well because he had them standing at the growing prospect of losing.
Yeah.
Going to the side pocket. And that's a big dumb shot. Game number
Chưa
one.
kết thúc được ván đầu.
On the main table at the World Championship against someone who actually has a good lead, totally unfazed by it.
Ôi lô kìa. Pha bóng của Malas nào.
2 years ago, I think he really started in Singapore.
No.
Colorado in a really thrilling match, one of the best matches.
Oh, just addresses the cue ball and fires.
Giáp eo 6 năm rồi à bạn. Cùng chờ Manas chốt chỉ 58687. Thầy bị bật 4 ván liền rồi anh em ơi. Hay rồi. Giáp nó giận thì khó lắm. À nói su giáp à. Vẫn ở nhanh thắng. Rồi lại một pha. Ôi pha thủ bi quá hay đến từ. Rồi, pha A bằng tốt nhưng có vẻ phơi rồi. Thiếu một tí lực. Hay này. Các bạn. Trận của thầy 98 mà 17 ván mà nó nhanh như thế ngầm. Chúng ta chỉ để Âu Chan và gang Floss. Không có luồng bạn ơi. Chỉ có luồng. Surprise please. 47. Chỉ khó là còn 47 nữa thôi. Cái đi đang hiu nhá. Anh em ơi, mỗi người bớt đi câu đi. CMU à? Này để em check cho. Hôm nay 98.
Two racks early on in the match, then fallen behind all of a sudden.
Ở hình bi này thì Mana.
One of those shots that was a good sweeping through them. We don't want to take anything for granted because we've seen them win 50 times, but AJ Madison.
Drawing towards the 8.
A great deal of confidence in.
Wow. How thin can you hit it?
Lại có sai lầm.
look here with an open table. Just about getting on the 3 with an inside ball. Yeah, Filipinos the best in the world.
It's eating up. He won that tournament in Vietnam a couple of weeks ago, and I mean that just tells the whole story.
Rất tiếc cho AG. Có may mắn không? Không có may mắn đâu.
Your guess is as good as mine what the cue ball will do if he does make the pot.
Hay quá nhỉ. Ui giời.
He has overspun it.
He's back to only one behind. Well, if he missed that.
Rồi 5-6 cho. Ui.
He can hold the cue ball. Oh, he had no problem holding it.
Hay quá nhỉ. Đều con 6 đúng 10.
Number of racks in this match that looked to be heading one way and then ended up going the other after a late stumble. He's followed it with a pretty good rack 12. First match of the evening session on the main table. SVB against Rogelio Sotero. Good wins there. Skylar Woodward was among them, actually.
Outside.
Just as if
We've never had that problem, Michael.
Observations about him there, and whether or not all those matches in quick succession.
He just gets a little quick when he's down on the ball. I think in 3 years, there's a real...
Break and run for AJ Manis. Has done that already in this match a little earlier.
Watch out, 9 now. Watch out, 9. Low ball. Oh, look at this, the two-way play, using the 8 as well. The last few games by Manis has been pretty consistent. How about that strike?
From 6-all, it looks as though Manis is going to put together what we've seen today. But he will go to the...